G'day, my name is Brian Johnson, and just an answer to Trade for Fun's post, and he said I restarted adding limit orders yesterday evening around about this hour. I saw my sell orders go into minus because the yellow lines were broken. Okay, let's see if we can look at that in another light. So we talked about Bosun's lines, and here is, and remember this line here is the weekly, last weekly's close. It's only Tuesday, and I said many times the price returns to Bosun's line. So if you had a sell order on here, this line had moved up, it's quite possible that this is going to return at least to this line sometime in the next 3 days or 4 days. Think about it. The adage stop, loss, profit, loss, profit. Think about these Bosun lines. What is that showing you, like a step ladder? Where's the step? It's down. So you've got a double-edged sword here that says that it's starting to show a down already, and see the little turn on Brian's index? Notice the stochastic of MAC, and notice that. So it is possible and highly probable that your current loss becomes a profit. Although this one is stepping up on the Euro US dollar, if you were on a sell mode there, you probably did a buy mode, it passed that, it went up, and it could possibly return here in a sell position. The Great British Pound, maybe it'll return, it's returned here. You don't know if it's going to continue down to the next line or it's going to go up. But these are just points you're looking at. The sell volume looks strong, sell volume still going, and it's still going down. But the ones you talked about in your thing was it didn't say JPYs or US dollars, but I'm assuming it was the JPY. So we'll look at the JPY, and I want you to get in the habit of thinking where the price can return to. US dollar JPY, if you were short on that because of the yellow lines, of course if you bought there and sold here you would be in a profit, but I'm assuming that you are talking about sells, and look at the sells, the probability that that sell is going to go down. Think about it. The JPY, strong message, Euro, and the JPY. So if you're in sells, you would be standing in quite a good position, that providing your sell price was up on the original yellow line, and if you happen to put a buy on the buy line, you would have been making a very, very good profit. Huh? Okay, we're talking about if you had placed a sell on that line, you would have been still making a profit here. But if you had to put a buy on that line, well, you're asking for a bit of trouble. So I'm assuming that you want to know that your question was that you had probably put a sell on here, maybe here, and yeah, it went up, you're losing money, and this is the point it could return to. I hope that answers your question, and in a simple, easy way for you to understand that sometimes the circle of loss, profit, loss comes back into your favor if you're patient enough. The loss may only be a temporary loss. Have fun trading the Forex. While we're here, it's easy to see the points of Brian's index starting to move down from a sharp point here. See, it went up, it did another little upswing, it's come down, and then it's gone up a little bit. See, it's downswing and the upswing. The short is here. All the indicators are indicating a short. The monthly thing on this particular thing has shown a concurring downswing. If you put on the Fibonacci between the two lines, and we'll just do it for you now, you'll see it's close to crossing the 23. Once it crosses the 23, the chances are the trend has been broken in a downtrend, and it will move up. Okay, that's basically some of the things that I want to talk about and show you. I've just shown you to use the monthly trend. You can simply put a Fibonacci in based on those points here to there, from your tops to your bottom, and you can see that it's crossed the 61, and in this case, in the monthly, it could be a strong could be a rebound of the uptrend. It certainly looks like an upbound of the uptrend. The 61, once it's broken, it can go back up to here. Okay, just using monthly, weekly trends, and if you want to do the same on a weekly trend, and it's pretty easy to look at it with your Fibonacci and look at your Fibonacci points of retracement, etc., etc. Okay, that's just a quick thing for you to look at. You've got all your support and resistance lines on your charts. That's about all I can say for now. Remember, it's 25 years of 35 years of trading. Experience comes from watching and gaining and subconsciously storing the information into your subconscious mind. Bye for now from Brian. God bless you. Have fun.